It's a new day, which means it's time to select a new task for the S12. I am going to go with clean and install coolant expansion tank. This thing is grimy. Coolant expansion tank is installed. Thank you, Val, for getting it as clean as we could possibly get it. It's another one down. On to the next task. Check and top up trans fluid. We have today's lovely assistant, Val, inside the car with a piece of fuel hose filling the trans. And then under here, that same piece of fuel hose going into the transmission, just waiting for it to dribble out.
So what have you done?
So we're trying to pump 85 weight 140 trans fluid through a 5/8 fuel hose. That just wasn't working. So what I've done is I've taken off the shifter assembly so that I can just pour this right in. I'm going to be looking under the bottom of the car. As soon as it starts dripping out, I know we have enough.
You must be a genius.
Oh, indeed I am. We have an ever so slight dribble out of the fill hole, which lets us know we're done.
Speak.
I was gonna go with like an opening. Oh. Check and top up trans fluid. Done.
Mic drop.
Next one. Install the radiator. It's gonna start to look like an engine bay.
It's exciting. Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
Wonderful.
The radiator's installed, and based upon the, let's restart that. The radiator's installed, and there's the slightest gap between the
No, you have to.
No, I need to start again. All right.
1, 2, 3.
The radiator's installed, and there's the slightest gap between the radiator and the intercooler, which is exactly where I wanted it. There's not very much space here, so making use of every millimeter is really important. I might even still move the intercooler slightly farther forward, space permitting. But so far, this is really, really good. The next thing for us to do, now that the radiator's hooked up to the expansion tank, is fill it.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, pour that liquid. Just like that. Get that nice Kool-Aid color. Blue blast.
Blue's not the flavor. Blast isn't a color. Let me know if you see fluid start coming out of it.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, I need that
So your air filter thing kind of... Okay. Today we were able to get the S12 running
Doesn't sound great. It's in the garage behind us, but right now there's no MAF connector, so the engine's running in like a choke mode. We're stood outside of the garage for obvious reasons. We're hoping the coolant system is going to burp a little bit and kind of get all the hot air bubbles out. Burp. And we did find a leak in the coolant. It's right behind the engine block, so it's in that miserable area that nobody wants to deal with. We're gonna have to deal with it, but that'll be a problem for next weekend.